commitment, commit to buy, the commitment of the players, the commitment from the staff, the commitment from the committee, the commitment from everyone. They commit, and that's who is committed for this, for the commit and commitment.
Welcome back, people, to MG Sports. You know what? Let me just fix the camera just a little bit. Yeah, zoom in, you know what I mean? Anyways, people, big up on yourself every time, all the time. You don't know anything already. And here the new head coach, Steve McLaren, speaking about commitment. I mean, it's an very, very interesting talking point, I'm telling you. And we can go as far as 2021. We hear the word commitment. Now, the average fan, you know, I'm not gonna say the average fan, but you have certain fans right now, when they hear this coach, Steve McLaren, speaking about commitment, and then now they mention the commitment of the JFF, they mention the commitment, the backroom staff, and all these things. Right then they hear the stuck, say, boy, they're just throwing commitment on the aspect of the JFF. Right away, they must say, yo, the JFF is not committed to the cause. And that's where they're throwing their ideology of the situation. I'm going to take a different perspective on it this morning. Quite a different perspective. But before I do that, you know, we have to do the YouTube stuff. Welcome back, people, to MG Sports TV. Thank you very much again for joining. Really, really appreciate it. As you guys can see, new appointment, new head coach, new discussion. And I've over the time period, I've released all the clips surrounding the discussion that he has held with the media surrounding his intent, what he wants to do, and I specifically break away each question and release it one by one, so that you guys can get a deep understanding of the reason why I said the other day the video I did was as not impressed. So I'm going to make some clarification on that when I made a video about not impressed, because a lot of persons 100% misunderstood what I was saying. So as you know, do the YouTube stuff, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button if you're here for the first time. Thoroughly appreciate the support. Really appreciate the support. You guys have been tremendous so far. So let's get into it. Commitment. We can go as far as Theodore Tapper Whitmore using the word commitment. I'm gonna make it clear. I'm gonna be very, very blunt here. When Tapper Whitmore used the word commitment, he was literally crucified over social media by the supporters when he used the word commitment, because apparently that's not a word they're supposed to use. Because cognitively, people believe that everyone is automatically committed to the cause. Not because we as fans, we are so committed as fans, we think everyone is also committed. And that goes for the administration, that goes for the coach, who have seen it with Al Grimson. We have seen that he wasn't committed. And that goes for the players as well. So as fans, because we're here longer than most persons. We're there before some of the players in the squad now. I've been here before some of the persons in administration, around the administration, some of them, because some of them are long donkey years. And we're going to be here after, even when they left, when some of the players we're seeing right now left, even when Steve McLaren left, because he will leave at some point in time. And guess what? We are still going to be here. And the thing is, we expect everyone surrounding football to be just as committed as us. But is that really viable? I don't think so. No, you can go as far back as some of the videos that I did on my page when Tapper Whitmore used the word committed. And I consistently question some of the players' commitment. And when I do that, I get a lot of backlash for it. For example, I've made about 4 or 5 videos with Omar Hutchinson. And the title is Commitment. Or Committed. And I've gotten a lot of backlash for it. Crazy amount of backlash for it. And that's from 2023, 2020, I think at 2022. I think from then time there. I think from Paul Hall. From that time I've been doing videos on Omar Hutchinson saying the word commitment. And we're going towards 2025. And yet we still haven't seen Omar Hutchinson. But if I should do a video, even just like me mention it, no, me I get backlash sheet. Even though me mention it, me I go get backlash sheet. But guess what? As Sir P would have said, when it come from a Billy Joe, it is widely accepted. But when it comes from us, and I go say it, it's scrutinized. Heavily scrutinized. Heavily scrutinized. And I want you guys to think about that. People are cussing me for this. Yeah, so you go. And you're going to have other persons who are very, very smart to think about it. And there's a reason why the JFF, the Jamaica Football Federation, went down this route, ensuring that they get a quote-unquote Billy Joe. Yes. Because cognitively, some of us aren't free as yet. Yeah, I mean, no, people are going to cuss about that. But if you think about it, you'll realize. If you think about it, you'll realize. As much of this has been said, when I watch a press conference, and I said, the reason why I said I was not impressed was surrounding the fact that all that he was saying, everything that he said, Al Grimson said it. And Al Grimson, he even went on to say more and do more. But the big term what this coach used, commitment. Big term. And that implies to the ballers then. So, World Cup is on the forefront of everybody's brain right now. Can you make it? Don't know. But based off what McLaren is saying, Steve McLaren is saying, the gaffer is saying, commitment is going to be one of the core values going forward. That's the reason why he mentioned commitment the most, because he not only wants himself to be committed to the cause, but he wants the players as well and the backroom staff as well to be committed to the same cause. But I do believe that this is actually a direct message to the players. And let me tell you why I know it's a direct message to the players. Because multiple questions were asked about players, recruitment, the direction going forward. And the term and the word that he used during that time period was commitment. Referring to how far we can reach and where we're going, it's solely on the shoulders of commitment. Who is committed to the cause? Who really want to help us or go the long haul with us? Or go the extra journey with us to carry us over the line? And if the ship start get, rocky, will any one of these players stay on? And that's the reason why I consistently use the word commitment. But as me say, when Tapa say it, you get crucified feet. Tapa say it, Tapa say, some of these players aren't committed. Tapa don't want the English ball in my squad, this, that, rate. When him say commitment. Al Grimson came and said commitment. Yeah, man, we need to be committed because, they don't want to highlight. They don't want to highlight that Al Grimson is speaking about the ballers as well. Our next coach coming now. Commitment. These coaches are coaching at a high level. They know what it takes to go over the line. Talent sometimes is marginal. It's your internal drive is what really carry over the line. And if you don't have that internal drive, sometimes the talent just not enough. And we've seen it. We watch World Cup. You think the quarterfinals, the semifinals, and the finalists aren't talented enough? Of course. Who wants it more? Who is committed to the cause? And that's how you win titles. That's how you win trophies. That's how you be successful. But hey, them are gonna say, guess what them are gonna say? MG Sports want local ball in a squad. So, I'm gonna say it. Tapa never want to use no English, no ink ball in England in the squad. Same I go say it. So when time Al Grimsey say it now, and Steve McLaren say it, then twist the narrative now. It twists and say, at the JFF the matter about, and at the administration the matter about, but they don't put it on the ball of them. Very interesting. Very, very interesting. And as I said, there's a reason why the JFF opted to hire a quote-unquote Sir P. Billy Joe. As me say, people, cognitively, many of us, we might think, we might talk. Too often we talk. And I see it for myself. I'm so happy I studied psychology. I'm very, very happy I studied psychology. I see it for myself. That's the reason why they did it, people, because many of us aren't as free as we think. But anyways, big up on yourself, people. Smash the like button, hit the subscribe button, and no phone not gonna like it. But the people are going, you see them type of video, people don't really like hit the like button for them type of video because you know go with the grain. So anytime I enjoy the man, I always go against the grain. That's that them say. But sometimes I'm just being realistic. Sometimes, me can't be deluded sometimes, yeah. Sometimes it can be realistic. Sometimes. It depends on who I listen and who I hear and who I receive. Because some are going to say, boy, madness, this is my talk. Some are going to say, so it makes sense. So I think more persons are going to say madness than the latter. I think so. Anyways, big up yourself, people. Smash the like button, hit subscribe button. I really want to see, I'm going to reply to enough of them, as much comment as possible, I'm going to reply. And for the next video, I'm going to highlight the highest, the most liked comment, or the comment with the most interaction. I got to do that. So I'm going to see what one they're going to, and I'll put that in the next video, and we'll go discuss that same comment. We will discuss that same comment at the start of the video. Anyways, big up on yourself, people. Smash the like button. Welcome, people. So Patreon is active. I start back with my Patreon account. I know so found no one join membership on the channel. All them Patreons them are going to get range and all that kind of something, and some different content will be posted in the Patreon. So big up on yourself, different content. Some things I'm not put on YouTube. Something I'm not put on YouTube. So big up on yourself, people. If you want to join, you can join the Patreon. Link in the comment, link in the description. Maybe put in the comment section as well. And you can also buy us a coffee. It will be in the comment section. Big up on yourself, people. MG Sports TV. And big up to all our persons who turn out to 1v1 tournament. Massive respect. Big up on yourself all the time. Me come second. Unfortunately, I couldn't get the money. Money gone right back in a back room. All of the work, all that kind of afford it. Boy, me vexed, but it was a good thing. Big up on yourself, people. MG Sports TV. Road. God bless. Boom. Now I mean.